Welcome to the fascinating world of millipedes, creatures often misunderstood but vital to our planet's health. These small animals with their countless legs are a common sight in gardens and forests around the world. Millipedes belong to the phylum Arthropoda, a diverse group that also includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. Within the arthropods, millipedes belong to the class Diplopoda, a name that hints at their most distinctive feature: 2 pairs of legs per body segment. This characteristic sets them apart from other arthropods and is key to their unique way of life. Despite their name, which means 1,000 feet, most millipede species have far fewer legs, typically ranging from 30 to 400. Millipedes are ancient creatures with fossil evidence suggesting they were among the first animals to walk on land over 400 million years ago. Today there are over 12,000 known species of millipedes inhabiting a wide range of habitats, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems, breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. A millipede's body is a marvel of adaptation, perfectly suited for its lifestyle. Their bodies are typically cylindrical or slightly flattened, composed of numerous segments. Each segment, except for the head and a few segments at the tail end, bears 2 pairs of legs. This arrangement gives millipedes their characteristic undulating movement as waves of legs propel them forward. The millipede's head is relatively small and rounded, equipped with a pair of short antennae that help them navigate their surroundings. They have simple eyes, some species lacking eyes altogether, relying on their antennae to sense their surroundings. Millipedes also possess a pair of mandibles, strong jaws used for crushing and grinding their food. The exoskeleton of a millipede is made of chitin, a tough protective material that provides support and protection from predators. This exoskeleton is rigid, and to grow, millipedes must shed their old exoskeleton and grow a new one, a process called molting. During molting, millipedes are vulnerable and seek shelter until their new exoskeleton hardens. Millipedes play a crucial role in their ecosystems as decomposers, breaking down dead plant matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Their diet consists primarily of decaying leaves, wood, and other organic debris. As they feed, millipedes break down these materials into smaller pieces, increasing their surface area and making them more accessible to fungi and bacteria. The digestive system of a millipede is well suited for this task. They have a simple gut, but their digestive tract is home to a diverse community of microorganisms that help break down tough plant matter. These microorganisms secrete enzymes that digest cellulose and lignin, the complex carbohydrates found in plant cell walls. The nutrients released by millipede decomposition enrich the soil, making them available to plants and other organisms. This process is essential for maintaining healthy ecosystems, as it recycles nutrients and prevents the buildup of dead plant matter. Without millipedes and other decomposers, our forests and gardens would be choked with debris. Millipedes are often confused with their distant relatives, the centipedes, but these 2 groups of arthropods have distinct differences. Both belong to the subphylum Myriapoda, meaning many feet, but their body structure, feeding habits, and even their movement set them apart. The most obvious difference lies in their legs. Millipedes, as their name suggests, have 2 pairs of legs per body segment, while centipedes have only 1 pair per segment. This difference is reflected in their movement. Millipedes move in a slow, undulating manner, their legs moving in waves. Centipedes, on the other hand, are much faster and more agile, their legs moving in a synchronized, almost running motion. Their feeding habits also differ significantly. Millipedes are primarily detritivores, feeding on decaying organic matter. Centipedes, in contrast, are carnivorous predators, using their venomous claws to hunt and kill insects and other small invertebrates. Their front pair of legs is modified into venomous fangs, which they use to inject venom into their prey, paralyzing or killing them. Section 5. The art of millipede defense. While not as aggressive as their centipede cousins, millipedes have evolved a variety of defense mechanisms to protect themselves from predators. Their primary defense is their hard exoskeleton, which provides a tough armor against attack. When threatened, many millipedes will curl up into a tight spiral, protecting their vulnerable underside and presenting a hard shell to their attacker. In addition to their physical defenses, many millipedes possess chemical weapons. Some species secrete irritating or toxic substances from glands located along the sides of their bodies. These secretions can deter predators or even cause skin irritation in humans. The specific chemicals vary depending on the species, but they often contain alkaloids, quinones, or phenols. One particular group of millipedes, the pill millipedes, takes chemical defense to another level. These millipedes can roll themselves into a perfect sphere, completely enclosing their bodies within their hard exoskeleton. This armored ball protects them from predators and allows them to wait out threats in relative safety. Some pill millipedes also secrete cyanide compounds as a further deterrent, making them a truly unappetizing meal. Section 6. The secret world of millipedes. Millipedes are generally secretive creatures, spending most of their lives hidden beneath logs, rocks, or leaf litter. They are most active at night, emerging from their hiding places to feed and mate. Their nocturnal habits help them avoid predators and conserve moisture. Millipedes are not social creatures, typically living solitary lives except during mating season. Reproduction in millipedes is a fascinating process. Males of some species perform elaborate courtship rituals to attract females, while others simply deposit sperm packets called spermatophores for females to pick up. Female millipedes lay their eggs in nests constructed of soil, leaf litter, or even their own feces. The eggs are typically laid in clusters and are often guarded by the female until they hatch. The young millipedes, called hatchlings, resemble miniature versions of the adults and begin their lives feeding on decaying organic matter, just like their parents. Section 7. Millipedes and humans, a mostly peaceful coexistence. For the most part, millipedes are harmless to humans. They do not bite or sting and are not known to transmit any diseases. However, their defensive secretions can cause skin irritation in some people, especially those with sensitive skin. It is best to avoid handling millipedes if possible, and if you must handle them, wash your hands thoroughly afterward. While millipedes are not typically considered pests, they can occasionally become a nuisance if their populations grow too large. This is more likely to occur in gardens or greenhouses where there is an abundance of decaying plant matter for them to feed on. In these cases, simple measures such as removing leaf litter and other organic debris can help reduce millipede populations. Overall, millipedes are beneficial creatures that play a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Their ability to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients is essential for plant growth and soil fertility. So, the next time you encounter a millipede in your garden, take a moment to appreciate these fascinating and often overlooked creatures. Section 8. Conclusion: the humble millipede. In the grand tapestry of life, millipedes may seem like insignificant players. Their quiet, subterranean lives often go unnoticed, their contributions to the ecosystem overlooked. Yet, these humble creatures play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. As decomposers, they are the unsung heroes of the forest floor, breaking down organic matter and returning nutrients to the soil. Their ancient lineage, dating back over 400 million years, is a testament to their evolutionary success. They have survived multiple mass extinctions, adapting to changing environments and thriving in diverse habitats around the world. Their unique body structure, with its countless legs and tough exoskeleton, is a marvel of adaptation, perfectly suited for their subterranean lifestyle. Millipedes remind us that even the smallest and most unassuming creatures can have a profound impact on the world around them. Their role in maintaining healthy ecosystems is crucial, and their presence is a sign of a thriving, balanced environment. So let us appreciate the humble millipede, a creature of remarkable resilience and ecological importance. Section 9. Finding millipedes in your backyard. Millipedes are found on every continent except Antarctica. They thrive in moist environments rich in decaying organic matter. You can often find them hiding under rocks, logs, or leaf litter in forests, gardens, and even your own backyard. To attract millipedes to your garden, create a welcoming habitat by providing them with plenty of moisture and organic matter. Consider adding a compost pile, which will provide a feast for these decomposers. You can also create a millipede home by burying a shallow container filled with moist leaves and soil. When observing millipedes, remember to do so respectfully. Avoid handling them if possible, and if you must, do so gently and wash your hands thoroughly afterward. By learning more about millipedes and appreciating their role in the ecosystem, we can all contribute to their conservation and ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for generations to come.